Hi, my name is Anthony Ode, and this is my thesis presentation for my grocery store mobile app design, QwikShop. Before I start this presentation, I would like to first give you an overview of myself. I have my undergraduate Bachelor's of Fine Arts degree from William Patterson University and completed it in 2005. Since then, I've been working as an art director and now a creative director for the past 11 years at an advertising agency in New Jersey. I play many key leading roles in managing a team of designers, conducting presentations, as well as coordinating and executing my own designs. Daily, I thrive on excitement of being involved at every level of every project and work closely with all clients, both on and off site, to execute concepts and deliver the presentation pitches to each client. I currently work on clients such as T-Mobile, Konica Minolta, Samsung, and food industry clients, as well as Tier 3 automotive advertising for car dealerships. Besides being a designer, I also have a love for golf, baseball, football, and also take photos from time to time for leisure and as well as for work. So enough about me, let me start to give you an overview and information about QwikShop. So I think the name says it itself, QwikShop. That name explains the ease of grocery shopping, and that was my goal for making this mobile app. This application is strictly for participating grocery stores and is available for iOS for a mobile platform exclusively. This application has ways of locating where you are and then the ability to log into participating stores database to shop for their inventory. This will improve your shopping experience in many ways that will help you save time and money as well as monitor your shopping experience. Even though there are many mobile applications already out there, there are similar ones that consumers use, and I wanted to make one that could cover all bases into one app. That's why the ease of my application is designed for young and old who own a smartphone. Overall, this application's main goal is to show how grocery shopping can be more of a beneficial personal experience. Using the key features like scanning your products individually to add them to your cart for checkout, syncing your list between users, and the quick scan checkout feature will help you all to make it a positive experience and less frustrating with savings in mind. I chose this project since I do all the grocery shopping and now more frequently as I got older, and feel I wanted to improve my personal shopping experience. Grocery shopping is a way of life. Whether the weekly visit to the store or online shopping to have items delivered, we all have encountered some form of grocery shopping. My challenge was that there are so many new ways to grocery shop, I wanted to simplify it. But I wanted to handle it with your in-store experience. So since it has changed with less clerks and more self-checkouts, and has increased with more interaction with mobile application shopping list, I wanted to create a mobile app that would help that experience. So creating QwikShop, it has a more personal shopping experience from the use of your own phone. You will be able to create a user profile, shop by searching items, and add them to your My Lists, as well as find your store based to your nearest location. Other features like the QwikShop barcode scanner will allow you to add items to your cart, and as well as the QwikShop checkout will allow faster checkouts. These features will benefit you to have a better way to track your shopping week to week and monitor your spending too. This app will be great for anyone, and since everything is done from your smartphone, I feel this is the best way to reach those consumers who like to use their phones for interaction of other tasks. Based on the research that I have found with administering questions and tests, more men are grocery shopping for themselves or their families now than in the past, but they are not happy about it. Most recent studies show that men, 41% of all primary grocery shoppers, but they make up more than their fair share of statistics who say grocery shopping feels like a chore. The primary audience for QwikShop are people who are smartphone savvy that like to use their smartphones for emails, online banking, and other ways of shopping. This group of people mainly fall into the millennial category of age group. Since they are typically glued to their phones for social media apps, promotional ads, email, and other aspects of mobile experience engagement. This kind of grocery shopping within the store will help develop new waves of shoppers that will not consider it a bad experience. This next image shows you how I came to do my research and explain how I gained inspiration for my design for this mobile application. Different user interfaces and navigation themes gave me ideas in the beginning and has now evolved into a better mobile app design. Here is my information architecture or sitemap breakdown that shows you how you would use this mobile app. Since you would start with the home screen and then have options of a new user or existing user with your login information and then selecting through the other sections till you get to checkout. The three main features include My Lists, QwikShop Scan, and the QwikShop Checkout. In this image, you can see the top level selections, and then it goes inside those pages and how you can select and choose the other variable items. In this slide, you will see my logo design for this app. It went through a lot of color revisions and font decisions in order to get to this final product. My research of other mobile apps inspired me as well as showed me how to keep it simple and make it easy to read. The Q and the S are visually connected to show the fluidity of the logo concept. The QwikShop color palette is made up of green, blue, and grays, which are most visually reliable colors when dealing with mobile design. My color scheme is used throughout the app for sake of consistency and hierarchy. Keeping everything on the white background makes it easier for the user to read while making selections without confusion. Here is my first user scenario, which is based on the millennial demographic. She's a user who wants to shop without being distracted and make sure she gets what items are on her list. With this app and her pre-selected items, she's able to see the items being added to her cart, which will allow for a faster time spent at the grocery store without any confusion. Here you can see the variables and the selections she may use when she gets to the store. My second user scenario is based on the Generation X demographic. He is a user who wants to shop quickly by just adding things to his cart and getting them ready for checkout. He doesn't always need to log into the store's database, so instead here you can see what he did when he got to the store and used a quick scan feature to fill his cart for faster checkout. This last slide shows the new screens I've created after doing more research and user tests from this last semester. The navigation changed to a footer user interface to allow the user to have full accessibility when on other screens. Here in this image, I've included 9 different main screens of this app to show the new structure. Since I have simplified this app, it has allowed me to see more of the variable screens that are added value for the user to get to the end of their journey while using my QwikShop mobile app. So at this time, I would like to thank you for giving me your attention and allowing me to present my thesis project for review. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and thank you again.